Hey guys, once again welcome to my YouTube channel. This is your mentor Ezewest here, and if you're just joining me on this channel, please make sure to subscribe and hit the red subscribe button below and ring the bell notification icon to get notified of awesome videos like this. So today guys, I just want to walk the newbies, guys who are, ladies and gentlemen, who are new to cryptocurrency. I just want to walk you guys through on how to create a new wallet. So guys, let's get to it. So to create a new wallet on Trust Wallet, though I already have one, but I just want to walk you guys on how to create a new one for those of you who are new to cryptocurrency, and also teaching you guys how to add a custom token address to your Trust Wallet for the case of airdrop. Okay, all right, so let's get to that. So now to create a new wallet here on Trust Wallet, okay, so what I need to do is from this very section here on the bottom of your screen here, after you've launched your Trust Wallet, okay, because okay, let me take it back. You're not gonna see the screen. What you're seeing on my screen here, you're not gonna see it if you open up yours. Okay, what you're gonna see is something different. So let me just get to that. Okay, now if you open your Trust Wallet, this is the screen that is going to appear to you. Okay, and as somebody who is new to the crypto space, this is what I want you to click, this button that says create a new wallet. All right, so now, like I always say in my groups here on the crypto space, security is top notch. Okay, this is not like your regular banking system whereby the bank manage your money. No, here you manage your money yourself. You don't have any business with any local bank or any central bank. Okay, this is decentralized finance. Okay, we're in a decentralized world right now, so you manage your money yourself. Your security is all yours. If you happen to lose any money you have in your wallet, it's all your fault. Okay, any money you lose is all your fault. So you need to secure your wallet at all times. So let me get to the next step, which is creating the new wallet. So just tap create a new wallet button below here. Okay, now this is a warning here. This is a warning, a very strong warning that many people have failed to adhere to. On this screen here, it says on the top, it says back up your wallet now. In the next step, you will see 12 words that allow you to recover a wallet. Now, these 12 words is if you happen to, okay, like I have a friend back in 2020, he was attacked by robbers and they collected his phone from him. He had some money in his Ethereum wallet. Now, simply because these 12 words now that you are being told to do what? To back up. Okay, you're meant to keep that 12 word very safe. These 12 words, okay, you're meant to keep it very safe because on the next screen you're going to be seeing the 12 words. But due to security reasons, the screen recorder I'm using will not reveal that 12 words for you all to see in this video. Okay, that's because of the high security system the wallet has. Okay, nobody's meant to see it, but as you all are following the video, once I tap the next button now, you're going to see your own 12 word. Write it down. Do not show it to anybody. Anybody that sees that 12 word already have 100% access to your wallet any day, anytime. Okay, so you're meant to keep that 12 word to yourself, and when you're writing it down, make sure you write it down and keep it in as many places as possible. All right, guys, like I said, you need to write down your 12 words. In other words, it also refers to a 12 phrase or seed phrase. You may find these different languages in different wallets. Okay, because what you're seeing on my screen here is 12 words. But in some wallets, it will be termed as seed phrase or 12 phrase. Most wallets will give you 24 phrases or 24 seeds. But Trust Wallet gives you 12, and you're meant to write it down. Now, this like I said before, these phrases or these 12 words here, anyone that has access, that gains access to it, that happens to see it where you kept it or where you wrote it down and saved it, they already have access to your Trust Wallet. And once they have access to your Trust Wallet, they have the right to withdraw all the whole money you have in your Trust Wallet. All right, so please and please make sure you write it down. Keep it as many places as possible. I think I have mine stored in 15 different places. Okay, so you are meant to save yours and do what? Keep it safe. So now the next button I'm going to tap is below here, which says I'm going to tick this button here. I'm going to check this place. Okay, once I check it, you can see that the button to continue has been enabled for me to click on it. Okay, so when you check the button, you are checking that you understand that if you lose your recovery words, you will not be able to access your wallet. Okay, just like I said, Trust Wallet will not help you to recover it. It's not like the bank whereby you forget your ATM card pin and you go back to the bank to tell them to help you out. No, here on the crypto space, nobody's going to help you out on anything. That's the reason why when you're writing anything down, make sure you keep it safe. Do not forget your PIN. Do not forget your password. Do not misplace your 12 words or 12 phrases, as the case may be. Okay? No excuse or whatsoever should someone misplace his or her 12 phrase. No excuse. If you misplace it, if you have $10 million in that wallet, forget it. Just tell it bye-bye. It's gone. Okay? Security is top notch. Have it at the back of your mind. So let's continue. So click the continue button. You're going to see your 12 phrases. On my screen, you are likely not to see mine because the screen is likely to go dark before you guys. Okay, so once you tap the continue, what you're going to see next is a headline that says your recovery phrase. Write down or copy these words in the right order and save them somewhere safe. Okay, so you are going to see from 1 to 12, and that 1 to 12 has different words that you're meant to write. I am meant to write it down the same way you see it. Everything you see there are all in small letters. Write everything down numerically. Okay, note it down 1 to 12, then start writing all the words you see there. Now, after writing down the words, the next thing for you to do is to click continue again. Once you click continue, now the wallet will now tell you, okay, that thing you have written down, we want you to type it again for us to make sure that you actually wrote it down. All right, so you are now meant to start writing them down from number 1 to 12. All those things you wrote down, you're meant to write everything down. Okay, so let me just take notes of this one down because I want to get to the bottom of this video for you guys to watch and grab something out of it.